Welcome back to Super Scroll Garage. Quick shop update. Unfortunately, not a ton. We did get the 351 started finally. We actually had to completely tear apart the whole top end. Whoever built the motor forgot to put the plug in the valley for the oil. And so we got it started. It's got a full hydraulic roller, so there's no cam break-in like you would normally do with flat tap it. But then we ran into some issues with the cooling system. So that's all out. You can see radiators out, getting hot tanks, getting a new water pump, and cleaning up the pulleys. Sorry I didn't get any video on any of that. The client was here helping me work on it because he wanted to do the engine start, and so I just not able to videotape that with him here working on it. So hopefully we'll get that done, and then this car will get out of the way. We've got all the lights working, horns working. Interior is back together. The shifter works like it should now. We got seat belts put in it. Got all the gauges working. And we got an exhaust in it. Which looks pretty decent. Let me see if I can get down there and show you. Basically, runs back. And I'm still waiting on a set of chrome tips for the turn downs at the back. They'll dump right behind the rear tire. So that's the full update on the Jaguar. And hopefully that'll get out of here soon, so I'll get some room in the shop to do some other stuff. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to do the shop truck first, or I have a Corvette coming in once a nitrous install. I do, however, I have all of the brakes, the full front suspension, everything we need to do for the rear suspension, except for a rear sway bar. I do have the front XK120 sway bar. Got everything to completely build the rear end 373 posi. That'll be all new. Hood's just kind of on the back burner right now until I get some room and time to work on it. Unfortunately, right now, with all my wife's medical bills, I still work for the government, so I'm taking every job that I can get with that, so that hopefully we can have her medical bills paid down or off by next year, along with any bills I still have left from building some of the business. But that's the shop update for now. I will hopefully get some more really good videos of building the rear end. I did start that, have some video of that, but I want to wait until we're all completely finished rebuilding that rear end and setting it up before I put that out. And then I'll put together the front brakes off the car, all the suspension that needs to be put together, and then hopefully here, probably midsummer, I'll actually get some time to work on the OBS shop truck, get all the QA1 suspension, bare brakes all the way around. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, comment, let me know if you'd like to see anything. And I hope you guys have a blessed week. Thanks, bye.